Here at the Dental Implant Center of Royal Oak, we take a lot of pride in treating individuals as human beings.
This is a patient-centered practice. We've developed and trained our team to be patient-focused. Our goal is to know the individual as a person and get to know their needs and goals, in addition to figuring out what's wrong with their teeth so that we can help them adopt a healthier and happier lifestyle.
Our staff are incredible. I mean, these lovely individuals have been trained to really deliver and help patients, from phone calls to folks who have a lot of anxiety and fear of coming to the dentist.
We try to adopt every new technological advancement in dentistry so that we can better provide our patients with the best care possible. From milling units to intraoral scanners to every aspect of digital dentistry, we utilize the most up-to-date diagnostics to provide the best care in the least invasive way.
We get along so well with our staff. I love coming in every morning. It's almost like hanging out with friends for the most part.
From the moment a patient walks into our office, we make sure that every aspect of treatment is as comfortable and as pain-free as possible. And we take all necessary steps in order to make sure they have the best possible outcome that can last a lifetime.
This is a pressure-free zone. I want my patients to know that they can come in, and despite what their current situation is, this is a judgment-free zone. We sit, we talk, we laugh, we talk about how we can help them understand the pros and cons of different treatment approaches, and ultimately what is going to be best for them.